it's supposed to feel.
Always check first if there is a common factor for all the terms. In this case, 3, -24, and 48 are all divisible by 3. Now find the second factor by dividing all the terms by the common factor 3. Now let us check if this second factor satisfies the conditions for being a perfect square trinomial. The first term k squared is a square. 16 is also a square. Take note that squares are always positive. Now for the last test, check if the middle term is twice the product of the square roots of the first and the last terms of the trinomial. In this case, we have 2 times k times 4 equals 8k. So yes, though the signs are different, the sign will be used later in the factors. Since this trinomial is a PST, let's use a shortcut in factoring this trinomial. The factors can be written as a square of a binomial. Since the middle term is minus, we will use minus for our binomial. The terms of the binomial will be the square roots of the first and last terms of the trinomial. So the complete factors are 3 and the square of k minus 4. We can also write this as 3 times k minus 4 times k minus 4. So learners, what would you like to learn next? Comment below.